Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is data analyst a good career in 2024? So many of you have been wondering that is data analyst a good career in 2024, or if you want to start your career as a data analyst, is this a good career path for you? So in today's video, we will deep dive into this topic so you can understand and then you can decide accordingly that you want to pursue your career as a data analyst or not. So in my previous videos, I've got few comments and people were asking regarding this. So I thought of making a video so that you can understand and then you can decide accordingly. So without any further delay, let's start with the video. So the first topic which we'll discuss is that is data analyst a good career in 2024? So as you all know that nowadays data is everywhere, in every business, whether you can say e-commerce, healthcare, banking, finance and many more, everywhere data is being used, data is being stored, and that needs someone to maintain that data, manage that data. The demand for data analyst will increase day by day. Because of the increase in data, the demand for data analyst will surely increase. So nowadays the competition in every field is growing day by day, and because of the recession which we are facing post COVID, it is highly affecting in the job markets. So you need to think beyond the market and you need to learn the skills, you need to master the skills, then only you can go above the market and you can grab a good opportunity, grab a good job. If you are already in a working professional and you want to switch your career as a data analyst, then you must learn more and you must master the skills so that you can switch your career and start a career as a data analyst. As I have already discussed in my previous video regarding that who is a data analyst and what does a data analyst do, I'll just give a small introduction. So a data analyst is a person who collects the data, cleans the data, and then with the help of that data, he analyzes the data and he loads the data in different business intelligence tools, and then he will create different insightful visualization with the help of pie charts, bar charts and many more which are there in different business intelligence tools. With the help of that report or dashboard, the business can make informed decision which will help that business to grow and also to reduce cost in various sectors, and also they can make informed decision. So the job of a data analyst involves the following process. There are many more processes between these. Once I will start posting contents, then we'll deep dive into each and every topic and then you can understand it better. The business has always made profits. That is why the demand for data analyst is increasing day by day, and the demand for skilled data analyst, it will never end. There will always be need for data analyst in every field, in every sector. So if you want to start your career or if you want to switch your career, you must learn these skills, you must master these skills, then only you can grab a good job. So now we'll discuss that what are the necessary skills which you need to learn. This is just an overview and just the topics. The Python, R and SQL are the most important programming languages, or you can say query languages. The next is data analysis tool like business intelligence tools. The tools like Tableau, Power BI, SAS, ClickSense and few more are there in the market. And with the help of these business intelligence tools, the data analyst will import the data in these and will create dashboard. The next is statistical concepts. So data analyst must understand the data, then only he can help the business in making some informed decision, and then only the business can grow. So the need for statistical concepts is very important as a data analyst. And the next is communication skills. So the communication skill, you can say if you want to interact with someone or if you want to interact with a business person, you need a good communication skills and you need to understand the technical and non-technical terms perfectly. Then only you can understand that what is the client demanding or what is the business demanding, and you can perform accordingly. So these are the necessary skills which you need to learn and which you need to master. Then only you can start your career as a data analyst and you can be on above of the crowd and you can land a good job. So now we'll discuss the current job market trends. So like the job availability as a data analyst is increasing day by day. The need for skilled data analyst will always be there. If you are a fresher, or if you are a mid-level data analyst, or if you are a senior level data analyst, there will always be need for you. There will be data, and there must be someone who can handle the data, who can analyze the data, and with the help of that data, he can provide some good insights to the business for their growth. The job availability as a data analyst is very huge. If you'll go to different sites which provides job, I'll just take an example of a job portal which you all have been familiar with. So Naukri.com, which you all have been familiar with. If you are searching for job, you must have come across this. So you can see if I have searched for data analytics, and you can see there is 19,206 data analyst job openings in the market. The salary ranges you can see from 0 to 3 lakhs, 3 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 15, and so on. There is also 1 to 5 crores available. Obviously, the one who has almost 15 to 20 years of experience as a data analyst. So you can see that they have also openings for 1 to 1.25 crore. Till 5 crore there is openings for a data analyst. You need to learn the right skill, then only you can land a job as a data analyst. So now coming back to our PPT, the competition in the job market will always be there. Previously also there was many competition, and now also the competition is very much, and it will increase day by day. But the main thing you need is the right skills which you can learn, and then you can apply that for landing a good job. Now, if you are pursuing a career as a data analyst, then you must upskill yourself day by day. Then only you can stay on the job. The volume of data is growing day by day. Whether in any professional, you can say, like as finance, banking, hospital, everywhere data is being stored, and the size of the data is increasing day by day. So you must also know about the big data. The next is artificial intelligence. So as a data analyst, with the help of AI and machine learning, the tasks are now automated, and with the help of the AI tools available in the market, you can perform tasks very quickly. The next is cloud computing. So cloud computing provides you a storage for your data, where you can store your data, and from there you can fetch the data for analysis purpose. The next is data security. So as now the demand of data analyst is increasing, so simultaneously data security is also necessary. So if there is data, then it's need protection. So the cybersecurity analyst or security analyst will ensure that the data is safe, and the demand for professional cybersecurity analyst or security analyst will also increase day by day. Now we'll discuss the salary expectation which you will get once you start your career and once you start applying for jobs. So as an entry level, you will get around 4 LPA to 10 LPA depending on the skills you have and depending on the company you are applying. So as a fresher, you will get a package between 4 to 10 LPA. So you must have the skills, the right skills, and then based on your interview and based on your communication skills, you will land a job between this package. Then next come the mid level. If you have completed like 3 to 4 years or 5 years of your career as a data analyst, and then if you are switching your career, then you will easily get around 10 to 50 LPA, again based on your communication skills and based on your interview, based on what are the upskilling you have done in your career till now. And next comes the senior level. So just now I have shown you the profile of Naukri.com. There you can just visit and you can also check by yourself. The jobs which are available in the market for a data analyst are huge. And for the senior level people who have completed their 10 years, 15 years, 18 years, then they can easily land a job above 50 LPA. You have also seen that there are many jobs available above 1 crore and they are offering till 1.5 crore also. So there will always be demand for a data analyst. Either you are entry level, mid level or a senior level. You just need the right skills and right path, and you have to upskill yourself. Then only you will be able to grab a good job or switch your career as a data analyst. If you are a fresher, then you must upskill yourself, learn new things, so that once you will apply all the certification and all the skills, then you can grab a more salary package. And the salary also depends on the location. So in the tier 1 city, the package which they will offer will obviously be more than any other tier 2 or tier 3 cities, because in the tier 1 cities the living cost is also more. So based on that, the job packages differs. But the main thing is that you must follow the right path, you must learn the right skills, then only you can switch your career or you can start your career as a data analyst. Now we'll discuss the industry demands. So the data analyst is in high demands across various industries, almost all of the industries who have data, who stores data, but the main industries which requires a data analyst are finance, healthcare, retail and technology. So these are just few which I am telling. Other than this, there are various industries which requires data analyst. You can go through any job portal once and you can filter according to yourself, according to your dream company, according to the industry you want to start your career, and then you will get more and more information there. You can just go through the job description, which will help you understand more about the job market, and then you can prepare yourself according to that. So overall, I have discussed few topics. You can just go through the video and you can understand each and every topic thoroughly. And in your future upcoming videos, I will be uploading more videos related to data analytics. The job for data analyst will never decrease. It will increase day by day, and with the help of AI and machine learning, nowadays job for data analyst is rapidly increasing, and from past few years the demand for data analyst has rapidly increased, and it will be increasing day by day. You just need the right skill and right skill path so you can learn and start your career as a data analyst. Or if you're already in any other field and you want to switch your career, you must start learning each and everything. And once you master those things or you have a good understanding on those topics, then you can start applying for the jobs on different job portals and you can land a good job. So that's it for the video. I'll come up with a new video with a new topic. Till then, bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.